In this video, we're going to look at using keyframe animation to start putting some pauses in for our character to do some animation over a 10-second period of time. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure that I've set my point on my timeline to 0 by clicking on the rewind button so that I'm right back down at 1. Using my control rig for my character, what I'm going to do now is place my character in my starting position for my moves. So by clicking on the rigs, I'm going to now slowly move my character into his starting position for my dance routine. Now this is going to be my start for my dance routine. If you look at the moment, I have his right shoulder highlighted. If I was to keyframe this particular point on the timeline, as I've got it selected at the moment, it would only set it for his right shoulder. This is very important. What we need to do with every pose that we keyframe is we need to select all our points and then either pressing the set key or pressing the S key, click that, and now our character has been set at time 1 frame to this position. What I need to do now is if I click on there and drag that to around about 24, so I've now moved that to 24 on my timeline, I can now put my character into his second pose. So again, if I change and now start to modify my position on here, and I'm going to twist in a little bit, and I'm going to, with this arm, drop this arm, with the other arm I'm going to raise his arm, I might just twist his elbow a little bit one way, and another. Again, once I'm happy with that pose, I'm going to select all again and then press the keyframe. That should now have put a second position in there. If I drag my character back now, you can see that between 1 and 2 he's now starting his dance. And now I continue that. I now move to my next frame, which is around about 48, and looking at my character, I'm now going to again change his position and his shoulder positions, and round. That. Once again, remembering to select all and keyframe. So what we will see now is over the time he's now starting his dance. And then I carry on to my next keyframe. I can at any point put other keyframe positions between 2 points or more, and it would just mean that the transitions will change slightly differently. What we need you to do this lesson now and for the rest of the lesson is have a go and try and do the different dance poses that you need for your routine.